Morning guys, just wanted to touch base with you and show you some of the trials we're doing. We're at a good customer at the moment who's a rail customer. They have a number of machines of ours and they have asked us if we would do some trial cleaning on particular components that they are cleaning manually at the moment, and there's a lot of labour going into them. So obviously the whole idea is that we try and reduce labour, automate the process, and obviously come out with a better finished product in the end, a cleaner product. So anyway, I'm just going to show you here. We have a cylinder head, as I say, bobbing up and down here in a caustic solution. We also have other stuff hidden down there. I've only filled the tank halfway so the customer can see before results and after results quite well. So anyway, I'm going to lift that out of the water and we'll just show you what we can see here. So this has been in the solution for probably 2 or 3 minutes, and you can already see quite a considerable difference from the water line down. These here were I'm assuming just a single pack paint, but that's coming off 2 or 3 minutes. That's gone pretty much. And some of these parts have Loctite on them, so they want to see if this can remove the Loctite, because they do a lot of buffing to get Loctite off and different things like that. Again, we have some valves, cylinders, I don't know what these are, it's type of head of some sort, and there's quite hard caustic on them. There wasn't a huge amount of carbon on these, but there is some, and it's fairly hard, so it's just really just a trial basis, see how we get on. So again, you can see a little difference down here. The valves are in and all this kind of stuff. It's not ideal for cleaning, but listen, give them an idea. The exhaust ports we just can't see at the moment. They're kind of underneath, so I'll show you those via either video or picture afterwards, okay? So anyway, I hope that it's not too jumpy, and hope to have some results later on, and I'll post them on social media later on today at some stage. Okay, talk to you then. Thank you. Okay guys, we've finished the wash on the cylinder head. That's the Powerpack GE Rail cylinder head, and I'm just going to show you them. Pretty impressive work. So basically this is, as you can see, the inside. Now I only did half this, so if you look way down there you can see the carbon. That's because that section wasn't in the wash. But the section, the half the cylinder that was in the wash, is just incredible. Really good. So again, as you can see here, this section here, you can see the watermark here, and here was a section that was in the wash. This was cleaned with a caustic solution, this wasn't. Now I did put in the Turbowash afterwards, with the spray wash, so it would have done somewhat of a job there as well, but huge job. This here was a ton of carbon on it, baked on, really poor, and it's like brand new again. I wasn't that convinced about this, however it did take off quite a bit of the heavy stuff. However, it's still fairly, you can see it there, it's still fairly crudded up, and we'll probably have to go for some sort of blast cleaning of some sort. These had a small bit of carbon on them, to be fair, not a lot, but it was hard, and again, they're like new. So all in a good performance by the agitating hot tank. Thank you.